Don Rush here at West Coast Classic Cougar, and today I'm getting ready to do a brake job on my car. I'm going to try to make it look really spiffy, so I'm going the extra mile. And what I wanted to encourage you to do today is to not buy our offshore reproduction calipers. You'd be tempted to because they're cheap, you don't have to send in a core. I say, why not keep it original FOMO-CO? And there's a little FOMO-CO there, it's all faded out. You couldn't see it when it was new, but there's a date code. I mean, there's all kinds of little markings on here. Why not keep your car as original as possible? And you may think you need specialty tools to rebuild a caliper. Really, you don't. So here's what I've done today. I've busted apart a couple of them. The first thing you have to do, if you're like me and you got them out of a junkyard, there was no fluid in it per se, so you look down the hole, you can just see there's trouble. I filled it up, filled the whole cavity with this stuff, and there are things better than WD-40. I love this one, works really good. Let it set while you go out to lunch, let it set overnight, just fill the cavity up. Then I went over my press, and that piston was stuck. Went over my press, and I pushed down on this, and it took a lot more pressure than you'd think. And all of a sudden it busts loose, boom, makes a noise. And of course, if this is pointed to you, you're getting all that goo right in your face. So be careful about that. And then I've put a little piece of scrap metal here because I'm gonna put air to this piston. And when it lets loose, it'll surprise you with how much force it comes out. So you don't want your fingers there, you don't want your eyes there, you want something to stop it. The towel there is gonna dampen the impact. I got 120 PSI, woo, just like that. You got your piston out, no big deal. You're gonna shine it up with 4/0 steel wool. We got these seals on our website, cougarpartscatalog.com. Easy to put on. Do it yourself. Go out and enjoy yourself in the garage. It's addicting.